Okay, guys and girls, I've just got a new box of stuff on my bike, a tenere 700. It's all from B&B Off-Road Engineering. All Australian-made stuff, which is highest quality, I can assure you. Have a look. This is your bash plate. Wow, look at that. That is beefy. My word. Oh, that is a serious bit of kit. It's a nice little replaceable slide there to protect the rear swing arm joint, whatever it is. Geez, that's thick. What is that? 4mm. Nice. Okay, well, I'll get some tools in a sec. Throw that on. Look at the difference in thickness there. Like, that's standard next to the B&B. It's insane. I'll take a pull at that thing. Okay, got a few other bits and bobs in here. Not quite as thick, this one, but it's only for luggage. It's still actually, no, this is as thick, I think. It's just got a bevel on it. This is to go out here somewhere. Whole mounting kit there, and then I've got another plate which is going to go up here to expand it out. That's going to look very nice indeed. Very nice. Right, so I will be back in a sec. I'll just go and get some tools and I'll do an install. Righto, so I just want to point out I'm doing this install with a twisted ankle. It's been badly sprained and I'm having a bugger of a time getting about on it at the moment. Ow! So all the moaning and groaning you're going to hear will be that, and a little bit of my bad back too, I guess. Okay. So what's that? That's a it's an 8mm. Chain's a bit dry. I put a chain oiler on this bike. Don't know if that's a good thing or not. That's all that's holding it on. 4 little bolts. Oh, there's a considerable weight difference there though, I've got to say. Give it a double twist and she breaks. Alright, so there's no instructions for this, so it must be easy. is going to be painful for me. Oh, I don't think I need to get on the ground. Ow! With any luck, I'll be able to get back up. Alright, so it looks like we're reusing some of these. I'll probably have to break that off then. So, just cut that cable tie off, and then so it's 13, is it? 13, up to 12. Okay, 12mm socket. Oops. Oh, excuse me. Not something you want to be doing in time of COVID. Just want to place my hand to start with. That goes there. And let's get in here somewhere. These go here, so let's put those back. Ugh, can't find the hole. Need to put some fur around it. What's going on there? Okay. Righto. So I need to undo some bolts over here. What do we got? Maybe that one. Yeah, what was I thinking? Which was I thinking? I'll take this off, I think. this other new bolt here to replace that with. Bang bang. I'm guessing that goes under there. Hopefully it's not out in the way of my foot too much. I don't know how you go about talking down a spanner, but anyway, someone might know. Oh, there we go. There's one a little sideways to start with. So yeah, you really need to be careful that you go in at the right angle, even though you can't see what you're doing. If it feels to start to get too tight, just back it off and change your angle. That's got it that time. I was lucky I didn't overforce it the first time, or I would have really messed that thread up. So now I've got to get a 12mm spanner in there, tighten that one off, but that's a nice bit of kit. Need a 13mm spanner for this one. Okay, so there you go, it's installed. It was relatively easy. On a scale of cuss words, I'd say I was about 3 swear words out of 10. Ready to try some good river crossings now. Yep, I just can't believe how flimsy this was. Wasn't going to offer much protection.